Joey's Airplanes. We went to the Canadian Aviation and Space Museum in Ottawa. There were lots of airplanes at this park. These real fighter jets were really loud. We saw this airplane at the Peterborough Zoo. This is the National Air Force Museum of Canada in Trenton, Ontario. I love the planes outside. This looks like a runway. This is my favorite Canada plane. After we go to the museum, we always get a donut. Yay! Mama's coming to the airplane museum today. I gave Mama a tour of the museum in Trenton. Mama liked this plane. I showed Mama all of the best planes. This is a rescue helicopter. Mama bought me an old airplane magazine. It's older than her. I went on a real plane to Vancouver to see the Olympics. Daddy got me a foam flyer. I'm allowed to fly this toy in the house. There it goes. This is my biggest airplane. I got it for my 2nd birthday. I'm 3 now. One of the wings deflated. I can't wait to go back to the airplane museum. One day I'll fly to Australia and meet my new friend Jamie. Maybe he'll show me his playground.